cold world. Southside, can't get enough, can't get enough. East side, west side, worldwide. Ride out now.
Hi there, my name is Felix and welcome back to How to Create It. In this video we're talking about beautiful photographs of products and how they actually do that. So if you've ever been shopping online and you look on a webpage and you see all these products perfectly lit up, perfectly exposed and have this really nice white background, you may be wondering, like, how do they do that? Well, you can use different methods, but today we have a $10 solution with a package that I actually received from China. I've never tried it out before, so let's see if it actually works. It's a 20 centimeter LED portable photo studio, and with this we hope to create those beautiful pictures that you can see on WebSource. Color backdrops, so you have black, white, orange, blue, red and green, but we'll get to that later.
I can't get enough of what you got. Good God, you hit the spot. Try to let go, but I just cannot.
So that's all. A really small bag. So it's really portable.
Hoes holler 'cause they love my sound, and I got love for the underground. Quality, Pimp C, H-Town will bring it down. Met a bad bitch that'll cut all night, that'll suck all night. You just cut off lights. Almost missed my flight, trying to get my last little nut. All right.
So you have different LED bars there to light it up.
I love it when you give me head. I hate it when you give me headaches.
Ooh, almost missed that. So two different micro USBs that go in these individual LED bars here.
Don't you stop, I need it. Cold world, baby, ain't nothing sunny.
We connect that and we attach a certain backdrop. For example, we go for black. White is probably better.
Never mind that, girl, let's make a track. I beat the pussy up, that's the hook right there. That's the hook.
We attach it on the inside.
Never mind that, girl, let's make a track. I beat the pussy up, that's the hook right there.
There we go. There's a hole in the top to make pictures there, so that is nice. So you have the front and the top. So let's turn it on. Wow. So after taking some pictures and videos of the items in the product itself, I want to say I definitely recommend it. It's absolutely amazing what it can do for $10. It exposes the items just right. I think it's a must-have for any photographer. So if you don't have something like this already, you definitely need to pick up this one. If you prefer something else or you need to photograph big items, something like this is not really handy to use because it's kind of small. Again, it's only 20 by 20 centimeters, so that is not very big. So if you need any more space like that, you can buy or a bigger one or use bigger foam boards to light up your scene. Anyways, if you just want to have some pictures ready, you can use this one. You just put it in the socket and you're clear to go. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.